Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed into the Google account tied to your YouTube channel. Now open Account Settings. Navigate to Security, then find Two-Step Verification and click Get Started. You'll be asked to re-enter your password for safety. Do that now. Once done, choose your primary verification method, text message or an authenticator app. Make sure your phone is nearby and unlocked so you can receive codes or scan a QR code. This step begins the actual protection process. After selecting a method, follow the specific prompts. If you choose SMS, accept the code sent to your number. If you use an authenticator app, open it and scan the QR code or enter the setup key manually. Once a code verifies successfully, add a backup phone and generate backup codes. Store them offline or in a password manager. Make sure to register any additional devices you frequently use so you're not locked out when traveling or switching phones. Flip the final switch to turn two-step verification on, then review trusted devices and app passwords for services that don't accept codes. Make a habit of updating recovery email and phone numbers whenever they change. If you get locked out, first try backup codes or an alternate trusted phone. If those fail, start Google Account Recovery and provide requested details promptly. For peace of mind, test sign-in on another device and ensure everything works before ending this setup session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.